Hello friends, welcome again to your own YouTube channel Ask Your Gynecologist. I am Dr. Sonal Parihar. As usual, I have come back with a new video and I am sure you're going to love this video today because it is a very commonly asked question about ectopic pregnancy. Now this particular topic I have covered long back when my channel just started around I think 10 months back. It was just a small 1.5 minute video which I made from my mobile and I was just about to start operating an ectopic pregnancy. I was in my theatre and operation theatre and I was in my scrubs, the green scrubs, and you people liked the video so much, it went so viral, it was shared from the Facebook to WhatsApp, Insta and everywhere. So I thought why not make a new video on this particular topic so that I can tell you in details as to why it happens, what are the causes and how to prevent ectopic pregnancy. Right now, before I start this, I would just like to thank you all for the tremendous response you've given to the channel. It is growing very well. Now, 3 ways to contact me. Because there are so many people now, I've got around 7 lakhs people who watch me, who follow me in India and abroad as well. Now there are 3 ways to consult me if at all you want to consult me. First is DocWise app, which is an online application. You have to click on it on your mobile's Play Store, download it, then it will ask you for the PIN because there are many doctors on it. So if you particularly put my PIN C2TXJ, then you will be connected with me through the mobile, and then you can share your reports, you can get a consultation from me, you can get a prescription from me. Now few things I just wanted to elaborate which I am watching. It is doing very well. Every day so many patients are getting connected. Now the reason why you get 2 days is because you are not physically going and consulting a doctor in the hospital. When you physically go there, the doctor is there, you get your time, you get your 10-minute slot and whatever, half an hour, whatever, depending upon your problem, and the doctor treats you there and then. Right now, because it's an online application, the doctor is obviously not sitting with the mobile always on that okay, my patient is about to come. We've got other works to do. The best thing is if you have an emergency, you should go and visit your local gynecologist, local doctor, go to the hospital. Don't think that online application can be used for emergency consultation, which I always tell my patients. I've seen some people getting irritated that you are not answering, it's been 2 hours, 3 hours. Well, it is not something that I can see. Right? Whenever I'll be free, I'll click on that application in my mobile and then I will answer. That is the reason you get 2 days, so that doctor and patient can share all their reports, your prescriptions, and they also have given you a facility that in case the doctor is too busy to answer, she does not answer within 24 hours, your money will be refunded. So don't worry, the doctor will definitely answer. If at all you think that you are paying and the doctor is not paying attention, then the money will be refunded. So don't worry, and always take it as a second opinion. Always use online consultation for a second opinion. Just because I started this because you people liked my videos and there were so many questions, so I thought now there should be some way to answer. It is not possible to answer everybody on YouTube. I can't be on YouTube all the time. So that is why these people have designed this application which is doing very well. So don't get irritated, just be patient, share your reports whenever I get time. I will see them, I will call you, I will send a voice message, whatever. Okay, your consultation will be done. Second way to consult me is you must be aware that I have got another channel which is Dr. Sona's Answers. The reason I started this channel is because the Ask Your Gynecologist channel, this channel grew so well. There were so many questions, it was just not possible for me to answer questions every day. Initially I used to type the questions, then I started live sessions. Then again, so many questions, I thought so many videos, people will get confused, so I started another channel, Dr. Sona's Answers. Now I am not answering questions which you are asking on the videos because there are more than 300 videos now. If you actually calculate the number of videos in both the channels, more than 300 videos, and every video somebody new will type a question, it is not possible for me to answer. So what I have done is, if you click on Dr. Sona's Answers and click on the bell button, you will get a notification that within 2-3 days, every 2-3 days, I am going live on this session, okay, on this channel. And how I go live, I collect your questions, I put a post in the community section. Every channel has a community post. If you click on that, you will see my current photo, and then it will be written on that on that particular date, on that particular photo, that okay, come on, type your questions, you get 2 hours. Why 2 hours? Because there are so many people. If I do not restrict you, the questions go beyond 300, 400, 500, and it is not possible for me to answer more than 50 questions in one session, okay, because I'm very fast, I speak very fast, so I'm able to cover almost 25 to 30 questions in one session, or probably more. Okay, so be aware, just click on this channel, Dr. Sona's Answers, click on the bell button as soon as you get the community post. Be fast, type your question. In case you don't get time, or probably you have missed the initial 2 hours or whatever, the questions were too many, I did not answer, you have got another chance. Again, after 3 days, I'll be live. In case you want to ask a question there and then you get super chat, which is being given by YouTube. You just click on the super chat button and then you type your card number, debit card or credit card. Then the YouTube will ask you to type your question in that box. Once you type your question, the YouTube will calculate how much amount you have to pay. It starts with 40 Indian rupees, so it can be 100 or whatever. As soon as you put the CVV number, which is at the back of your card, and you push the enter button, the question will flash on my screen and then you will get the answer there and then. People who are using it, they know it. So these are the two ways to connect with me, either DocWise app or in the live session. You can either type your question in the community section and then you get your answer there. Do not put questions when I'm talking. When I'm talking in the live chat, I am not reading questions because it is just not possible. If I start reading your question, there were so many people, it is not just hello, hi, it is a full question. I have to think and answer. It takes time. So what I do is I collect your questions from a day before or in the morning and I go live in the evening. Okay. So super chat is the only way to get an answer there and then. Okay. Now the third way to contact me, to consult me, is the best way. That is coming to my hospital. This is the address. This is the secretary's number. Now I have scolded my secretary that you are not picking up phones because people are complaining, but obviously she is also a human being. She is working in my hospital. She is basically a nursing staff, and there are more than 7 lakhs people and people are all around the world. So if you keep calling her, obviously she's also a human being, so she can't answer all the calls. But please be patient. She knows that she has to answer, and do not ask her medical questions. You cannot talk to me on the phone. There are ways to consult me, which I have already told you. So just use her phone in case you have any query like, is madam available in the hospital, shall I come, or what are the timings and whatever.